In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown code to your AWeber emails. Countdown timers can be a powerful tool for creating a sense of urgency, whether you're running a limited time offer or counting down to an event. By following these simple steps, you can effectively integrate a countdown timer into your emails using AWeber. Let's start by creating a countdown timer with a third-party service. There are various services you can choose from, such as Motion Mail, Centric, or Countdown Mail. These platforms are user-friendly and offer a range of customization options to suit your needs. Begin by setting the end date and time for your countdown. Be mindful of the time zone to ensure your countdown ends precisely when you intend it to. After setting the parameters, take a moment to personalize the timer's appearance to align with your brand's colors and overall aesthetics. Once you've customized your timer, the service will provide you with an image URL or HTML code. You'll need this code or URL to add the timer to your email. Carefully copy this information, ensuring you don't miss any details that could interrupt the proper display of your countdown. Next, let's move on to your AWeber account. First, log into your account and navigate to the Messages section, where you can either create a new broadcast email or edit an existing workflow email. Within the email editor, you'll find various elements that you can drag and drop into your email layout. Look for the image block, which is essential for inserting your countdown timer. Drag this image block into the desired location within your email. Here you'll have two options based on the editor you're using. If you have the option, choose the From URL selection to add your countdown timer image using the URL you copied earlier. Alternatively, if you're working with the classic email builder and don't see the From URL feature, you can insert the countdown timer using the provided HTML code by accessing the HTML editor. With the countdown timer now embedded into your email, it's crucial to save your changes. It's always a good idea to double check that everything looks and functions as expected before sending the email out to your subscribers. Use the preview or send test feature in AWeber to ensure the timer displays correctly and starts counting down immediately when the email lands in your recipient's inbox. Finally, once you're satisfied with how the countdown timer appears, proceed to schedule or send your email. Remember, the timer will help create that vital sense of urgency, prompting your subscribers to act swiftly before time runs out. And there you have it, an effective way to add a countdown code to your AWeber emails. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.